Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And no way. Let's go! Oh yes, I did go into a private server. Next. And next. Best. Oh my. That circle is pretty big. Sometimes I like to go AFK. So if I do have like a lot of stuff, yesterday we were AFK for a little bit. And oh, I should choose this one. Yeah. And I'm sorry that I didn't post already right away. And that I posted them a little bit late. Like later. But it's all because I gotta like do them like boom, boom, boom all at different like at the same time. And let's see if I do autocorrect. And if y'all wonder where all those numbers went, and you want to see how I got them away, just ask. Yeah, you really can ask me stuff. Yeah, I won't be mad, just only if you like these videos. Just tell me if you want me to do more, if you want me to do less. Yeah, and today I'm not doing this at I'm playing at this at 1:54 p.m. It's like, but I'm just gonna put it very. Yeah, so the giveaway will be hosted on. Y'all can tell me if you want a timeout. The giveaway will be hosted next Friday. JK. It's gonna be posted this next week on Wednesday. I'm not trying to make funny. What was that? Go! Yeah. How am I supposed to get your types of like glass? Now I finished the speed. Now next is whatever this is. Oh, sorry about that. So next time is gonna cheese. The only way I think to get these boxes is if you like kind of work for it. You have to. Yeah, almost just formed and so leave down in the comments what game that I have played that you guys have seen me play, or know that I have played, or think I've played, or want me to play that game. I'll play. I'll dedicate my entire existence to that game, just so I can get you anything you want. You know that, like, it has to have, like, trading or something though. Hey, Pet Simulator. Pet Simulator. Pet Simulator 99. Even though I don't play 99 much. And I suck at it, so it takes me like 3 days. So, you know, like, that one where I was gambling with those love eggs and hand eggs, yeah. That one, I forgot what it was. Yeah, Pets Go, right? I think that's what it was. So, I did do that. So, yeah, like, I'll gift you something in the mail for that, or do you want me to play it more? Ooh, Rebirth. I said Rebirth. So Nelly, I am so good. Should I max out my speed? Three cheese. Okay, so I'll be back when I get my stats pretty high, okay? And they're pretty good. So, see you then. Okay, so I didn't get there yet. Yes. I found cheese. Cheese. Okay, well, that was really it. I just moved this shade, I guess. Are they being serious right now? Oh, yeah. Cheese is the best one. All these videos will be posted today. So, stay tuned for that. Then watch the first one, which is the best one for you to watch right now. Okay, if you guys want me to show you how I do those more, or you want me to cut it, like make it, yeah, this. This video is mostly about, like, how I'm, like, you know, like, what y'all want, and if I should keep doing that, you know? So, I'll be back. I'm gonna AFK for about 20 minutes, so see you. And I'll try not to accidentally forget a little bit, like one time. So see you there. Okay, guys. Boys and girls, hi. See. Let's see what we got. Key caps. 7. Cheesy. Like no squid. Oh yeah, we do have a last squid. So I'm gonna go sell